What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Memthebarber with another tutorial. Now before we hop in this tutorial, you guys, in this video I end up cutting my brother's hair. I gave him an undercut with a nice dry fade. But anyways, you guys, if you guys end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Oh, another thing, make sure to turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss none of my new tutorials. You can stay updated. You know what I'm talking about? Stay tuned. Okay guys, now to create my first guideline, I am using my wall cordless detailers. And basically what I'm doing, I'm dropping it down all the way to the tip of the bone, all the way around. Now I'm going to go ahead and bald him out and follow the same pattern beneath the previous guideline I created. Now to create my second guideline, I'm using my 1.5 detachable blade and also making sure to follow the same pattern. So now I'm going to clip over comb to reduce some of the heavy bulk from the sides. So with the lever open, I will continue to follow the same pattern by creating another guideline about 1/2 inch. So now I'm going to focus on getting rid of that bottom guideline by triggering the lever up and down. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be focusing on fading this guideline by using my 1/16 guard with an open lever, and pretty much what I'm going to be doing is triggering the lever and trying my best to fade out as much as I can. So now I'm back on my clip over comb technique to fade out the rest of where I left off with the 1/16 guard. Also, you guys, keep in mind using this comb technique can help you fade faster and you can move on to your next client. Okay you guys, so now I'm using a hair gripper to hold his hair so that way I can do his lineup. Alright guys, so before I style any hair, I always like to apply hair serum by Elegance to give it some volume. So after styling the hair, another technique I like to do is use my thinning shears to reduce some of the heavy bulk and also to blend into the fade. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my styling comb with some hairspray, and pretty much what I'll be doing is just styling his hair into an undercut, you know, and also giving that extra volume. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some hair dye on his hairline, so that way, you know, the hair can really stand out a little bit more. I know a lot of people are so against this hair dye, this new thing that's going on, but honestly, it's 2018, you guys, and the barber game has been changing a lot, you know, and that's a good thing. You know, that's a good thing. We always try to learn new things, new techniques, but keep in mind, guys, that using this hair dye, you know, on his hairlines is a good way to make your haircut stand out a little bit more. But like I said, you know, there's people out there that are really against it. You know, who cares what other people say? You know, just do what's best for you and what's best for the client. So after I apply this hair dye, I always like to come back, you know, and do this last touch up by using my trimmers. If you ever wonder what kind of blade I have in my trimmers, I have a GTS blade. Okay, you guys, well, this is the final look, an undercut with a drop fade. If you guys end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Alright, you guys, till next time.